Hey guys, it's hammer time with Paul Casseri. Hammer Time is a new Asphalt Life video series brought to you by Atlas Roofing, providing install tricks, pro tips, technical updates, and industry news for contractors. Let's get busy, it's hammer time. Today we'll be talking about the do's and don'ts of installing underlayment. When installing synthetic underlayment, the first thing you want to do is roll out the roll on the deck. If you install drip edge, the synthetic or any underlayment must go over the drip edge on your eave and under your drip edge on the rake. As you roll out the synthetic underlayment, roll out little sections at a time and use plastic cap fasteners in all the pre-printed locations. Do not use staples in synthetic underlayment. Synthetic underlayment is a polypropylene fabric, and staples will cause the underlayment to tear easily and will eventually lead to leaks under your deck. When installing your first course of underlayment, make sure, starting closest to the eave, that you overlap the drip edge on the eave side. On the rake side, the underlayment should be below the drip edge. Once you get to the end of the course, trim it off at the rake side and finish using plastic cap fasteners to install the entire underlayment. When you're rolling out the roll, it's very important not to pull the roll or the fabric or the underlayment tight when you're installing it. Make sure it's a loose lay so it gives room for expansion and contraction of the deck and the shingles. If you pull it tight and install it, it will have a tendency to rip around the nails as it expands and contracts. As you install a second course of underlayment, as you move up the deck, make sure you use the pre-printed lay lines. Minimum is 4 inches. The 5-inch lay line is for standard and steep slope applications. Using those lay lines will give you the proper overlap on your succeeding courses. If you're using synthetic on a low slope application, simply lay the next course up to the lay line in the middle of the sheet. It's at 24 inches, and you'll have your double course coverage for low slope application. Hey Asphalt Lifers, it's just that easy. The do's and don'ts of installing synthetic underlayment. Until next time, it's hammer time.